This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the area safe and accessible. Disconnect the negative terminal first because it reduces short risk, then the positive. Once done, clear corrosion with a baking soda paste to see fasteners. Make sure you have a 10 mm wrench and a strap tool at hand. If the battery sits under a cover, remove clips now and use a flashlight to inspect mounting hardware. This immediate action prevents sparks and gives you the clear view needed for the stuck removal steps ahead. Now focus on the seized hardware and corrosion that actually holds the battery. Spray penetrating oil on bolt threads and let it soak for 10 to 15 minutes. That seeps into rust and eases removal. While you wait, tape nearby wiring to prevent nicks. Once soaked, tap bolt heads lightly with a hammer to fracture corrosion. If a nut won't budge, use a breaker bar for controlled leverage or apply heat briefly. Make sure you shield plastic and wiring. These steps free stuck mounts without breaking components. Finally, lift the battery straight up using both hands or a proper strap. Tilting can spill acid, so keep it level. Once free, neutralize any acid on the tray with baking soda solution and clean terminals. Make sure to dry completely. If the battery still won't budge, recheck for hidden clamps or hardened corrosion under the tray and repeat penetrating oil and gentle prying. One troubleshooting tip. If heating was used, give cooled parts one last penetrating oil application before trying to lift again to avoid re-seizure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.